those early stages of that
Hello,
second half
people.
then, Ian,
Again,
the moment
for
in the
more
game
math.
was the card given to
And
Jason Dixon. It
episode.
was sent for review and then sent back and says no, stays a yellow. What do you think of that decision?
Yeah, look, it's really reckless. On another day, I can see this being a red card.
Episode
head
2
to the face, and for me, it's not accidental. I think
of the math series.
And while the impact isn't significant, you can break someone's nose or smash their teeth out, and for a back, that's life changing. So
today we will be
this
learning a bit about
so many good opportunities with you know, at the start of the second half. Really quality passing, getting it to the edge. But this
addition, multiplication, exponentiation, tetration, and pentation.
Scotland, a couple of missed opportunities on the back of the maul. They actually got some real dominance in this area sort of early in the second half, and you can see them spinning off the side here. Looks like for all money they're going to get over and don't quite manage to get there. Again, this will show a little bit of the narrow South African defensive line. If you look at the second last man there, and Scotland's ability to pass and pick them off and get Dolby down the edge.
I forgot I was.
They create the 5-on-3.
And
3-on-1 down the edge. And then even here with you were saying this should be really.
Today we will be learning about, I already said it, that these symbols can be thought of a sequence of increasingly power operation. Symbol meaning, blah blah blah, I don't care anymore. So, addition, repeated counting, multiplication, repeated addition.
They created those opportunities, and I suppose from a coaching point of view, you
explanation, repeated multiplication.
We're in this situation next time. Here's what we want to do, and Scotland have to learn from those.
Tetration.
They've been saying that for a while, I suppose, but some of the Scottish teams.
Tetration, repeated exponentiation, or whatever. And
just on the point about South African
pentation.
defense there, is there anything even given
repeated
all the personnel
tetration.
changes in how Scotland got that space
Now
out
all
wide
of these
that
are
other
the
teams kicked
symbols,
out
of course.
Okay,
now seeing the pattern, each operation is
So if you can change either your direction or pass the ball late, that's when you can catch them out. And
each operation is built from repeatedly applying previous one. Addition, A plus B means add A, B times. Multiplication, A multiplied by B means add A to itself B times. Exponentiation or whatever means multiply A by itself B times. Tetration, A, tetration means exponent A by itself B times. Pentation means tetrate A by itself B times. For example,
Ashman drops the ball here. And Scotland never really regained the momentum for another.
2
This is the start of a try that's given up and exits in that
to the power of 4
it leads to
equals
this piece of play that we're seeing now.
2 multiplied by 2 multiplied.
It's not fancy rugby. It's about looking after the ball.
By 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 16.
He just puts it up on the inside. Scotland had so many passes on the try line where the 9 has actually ripped the ball and over the head of the incoming carrier.
And Ian, when you saw that maul rumbling up there at the start of this try, you thought Scotland didn't bother here.
They are, and they gave South Africa such easy access. This is all for research, give away a cheap penalty and then penalty advantage.
2 tetrated by 3.
Freedom to move the ball to width, to throw 50-50 offloads, and really good finish from Villas.
or
And then the momentum
2
is going
to the
here
power
all
of
South
2
Africa's way, isn't
to the
it,
power of
Richie?
2
Yeah,
to the
all
power of
direct
2.
carry,
I
playing
think,
short man, not going too long in relation to the thing. Inside
or
outside,
maybe
clean
it's
clean
that.
there, nice and early, cleaning past the ball, so that the 9 can have time to pick up. You can see how the Scottish defensive team are collapsing in, and it's just a matter of time.
Well, anyways,
really direct and strong, good low
equals
body position. Another
2.
foot on the ground to try and get him over the line.
And you're scratching your head from a Scottish point of view, saying potentially looking like on the end of a bad beating here. And then the script
To the
flips again.
power
And we talked so
of
much about South African bomb squad. The
4
Scottish replacements really came to town. The likes of Hiddleston, the likes
equals
of Bayliss and Bradbury, and really
16.
gave Scotland, played big roles in Scotland's 2 tries we got then after that.
Yeah, Hiddleston in particular and Bayliss I thought were spectacular.
And
Just found
then
space in the middle of that South African defence, and it really energised the team. As Bayliss came through and he gets on the end of it. It was just a bit of deception that these guys added in, and it got the South Africans into 2 minds. Kia doesn't quite know.
and then
And they got up to speed, which was really important. Their momentum coming onto the ball really changed in the second half with the guys that came off the bench.
touch rated just by 4
I think we'll have a look
equals
here at Ben White getting over for his one, but Hiddleston consistently found soft shoulders,
2
real slippery operator, and it's
2.
nice from Ben White, but it's a good line from Bayliss. He interests the defender, gives White the true one-on-one, Richie, doesn't he?
Gives him the chance to get over the line.
which equals 2
Yeah, and they're
to
right
the power
there.
of
We're thinking
16
potentially a draw, but then enter Jesse Creed,
2 to the power of
one of the
16
guys who's retained his place from last week,
equals
one of their absolute quality experience operators.
Yeah.
equals about
Yeah, look at that. We'll be really frustrated that we didn't get more points on the board in the first half. And then during that period when the box were down to 14 men, and then we were sloppy for 10 minutes. Massively proud of the effort, how to come
this
back in.
number.
I think at 70 minutes I was believing that we'd go on and win. But,
Just by adding the titration number by 1.
There were a lot of good parts to the play, but we've got to be better for 80 minutes.
Although
pretty
the
much in sort of 30
and
seconds,
that
just been talking about for the last 10 minutes
is
there, Ian, isn't it? Frustration from the
visualized
Yeah,
as
he'll know that was a big opportunity for them.
y
But he'll be very boiled by the positive attack that they had, and he'll look at the
equals 2
their points, and he'll be very
power of
frustrated with
x,
that, but he'll
which
know that they
is
can
a
beat the best
graph.
teams in the world.
Final thoughts on it, Richie?
Yeah.
A real progression for them.
Wait,
with
what?
Scotland.
Which is a graph.
Yeah.
So that'll
I
give them an
think.
opportunity next week to
finish
sort of
on
finish
a
on a high and go from there.
Thanks very much, Anas. That was really enjoyable. That is it from the afternoon shift.
Now that is a
The
graph.
Engineer Company. Still
Cool.
more rugby to come this evening.
Right before we continue,
Thanks very much.
here's a few little
Tommy.
things.
Less than an hour
Hourglass, another spinning triangle,
province not far from the border of Chile as well. So look to emulate Scotland's swashbuckling performance last week.
and shrinking circle.
Tries as Scotland ran out winners 47-38. Will we get the same excitement tonight? Will Wales make it 2 from 2? Or will Argentina get their first points in the nation's
Okay, we're gonna go back into
Join
flip
Fiona Hayes, Derek Ava, myself,
And
what could be a cracker from
although the
7:45.
graph shows ordinary exponentiation or whatever, I forgot. Saturation stacks exponents on top of each other, making it grow vastly faster than 2 to the power of x. I think I paused it. Wait a second. Just in case I did pause it, new graph. There's a graph thing that I want to show you guys. I think it was this, which makes that. Yep. I just want to explain another few things. Okay. Although the graph can show the ordinary ordinary exponentiation or whatever, titration stacks exponents on top of each other, making it grow vastly faster than to the power of x. Frick. Beyond pentation is hexatation and heptatation. Okay, and so on. This sequence is called the hyperoperation hierarchy. Each level is repeated application of the previous level. Okay, and boom, done, I think.